Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and it's time to squeeze in just a little bit more of Purple Post before Christmas, or before the AMZ event, should I say. This is a Christmas-ish themed painting, so I wanted to show it to you this side of the festive season. This is one of my favourite artists from Diamond Art Studio. I have a few, but this was my first love. My first artist love from Diamond Art Studio. It is a Splatterworks. Absolutely adored this one the minute I saw it. It is the Christmas Coup. Love the name too. But this is an absolutely stunning Highland cow ready for Christmas. Isn't it absolutely adorable? It's still a lot of white space background, which I am more than happy with. I will quite happily multiplace a white background to my heart's content, to be fair. Yeah, I used to hit there and single place them to my heart's content, so I will definitely multi-place them to my heart's content. But this one has 45 colours. Oh, we have fancy drills. Oh, my brain has gone. I know I call them diamond dust, but I know frosty drills. Frosty Drills is the name that Diamond Art Studio have for them. That's what confused me. We have, for the first time ever, I think, or at least the first time for the ones in my stash, a Splatterworks painting with speciality drills. So what I've done, first up, just while I was chatting, I have chopped half of the sticker sheet off. This is so that it can go into my logbook, which I'm actually doing today. Need to get my logbook done before the event starts as well. But this confirmed is called Christmas Coup, Splatterworks by Catherine Williams, in conjunction, of course, with Diamond Art Studio UK. I have so many absolutely gorgeous animals. I just think these are beautiful. Colours in it are gorgeous. This does not scare me at all. It's not 310, so the drills go down perfectly. We've got some beautiful colours, but I am very excited because I didn't realise that we have frosty drills for this one. So we have some 3865, some 349 and some 762. So the 3865, I did wonder if that's where it was going. So it is. We are highlighting the Highland Coup's hat. So all this white will be 3865 on the hat. All the background is 5200, but all on the actual Santa hat is diamond dust drills. Frosty drills, as it is with 762. There is a couple of other drills mixed in there, but the majority of this grey that you see, the majority is the frosty drills. And then we have 349, which is this triangle symbol, half triangle symbol. So it is highlighted here on the hat and round here on the hat, and there's a little bit there, and there's a little bit across here where there's a splatter from the hat. There's also some on the splatters from the hat up here, but that is all concentrated up here. It's not scattered where else in the painting, so you're going to get extra bling on our cow's hat, and these are gorgeous. You probably see it a little bit easier on the red, though it's extremely hard to photograph, but you can see it up close. But it has like very, very tiny little flecks of glitter, like dust of glitter on the drills. It's beautiful extra shine. You can still use your normal pen to put them on. The coating doesn't potentially come off the same way as it does with ABs. Not that it comes off so they're not AB anymore, but residue can stick to your pen, or make the diamond stick to your pen more than it sticks to the canvas. It's not the same with the frosty drills. So very excited to see 3 of those in there. But yes, you do get your stickers for your pots. You of course get your diamonds. You can get a toolkit if you need one. That is always an option on their website, whether you want it with a toolkit, just with wax, or without. I use all my own trays and pens, so I never have a toolkit from Diamond Art Studio because I don't need one. It's just not an option on others. But isn't he gorgeous? Oh, I think we've got one eye. I can't see the other one. I can't see the other one, but at least he can see us looking at him. Just a teeny tiny little bit. So yes, this is also one of their Christmas releases. As always with Diamond Art Studio, they will keep restocking. Eventually they do retire products, but that tends to be after it's been in stock for a good long time and sales have dipped off. But anything that is new has been brought in. The demand is still there. They will keep restocking. But he is in stock as I film this. So if you want to get yourself some Christmas goodies, I highly recommend the Christmas Coup. I also personally highly recommend the Chart to Art kits. Absolutely love every single one of them. But I do recognise Chart to Art isn't for everybody. But there are a ton of different artists there to have a browse through if you would like to add to your basket. I will pop a link to all the Splatterworks paintings down below. I will also pop a discount code that will get you 10% off your order. So that's always a very good excuse to add more to your basket, especially if you are abroad. If you are abroad, they tend to have a flat rate shipping fee, so just add some more because why not? He's absolutely gorgeous. This is the depiction of us after Christmas dinner, maybe. Maybe that's what he looks like. But anyway, I will pop all relevant links down below. If you have any questions at all about this painting or others, do drop them in the comments below, and either myself or Sam from Diamond Art Studio will get back to you as soon as possible, depending on who's quickest / who has the answer. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.